Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to like a song, thereby adding it to your favorites on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on this home icon down below, which is the first option. And now, as you can see, this page is called the feed, your feed. And now you should select from these three options at the top of the screen, such as following, meaning that you are going to see the songs of those artists that you are following on the BandLab. The trending section means that you are going to find all the songs that are popular now and are trending in this month. And in the For You section, you are going to see recommended songs and pieces of art based on your music style and preferences. So if you have found a song that you would like to add to your favorites, just simply scroll down till you find this heart icon and tap on it, thereby adding it to your favorites. You can check the list of your favorite songs by clicking on this map icon down below, which is the last option. And here tap on the projects icon, which is the first one at the top. And now you should click on the liked music section, which is the fourth option here. So now you are going to find all of those songs that you have added to this section. You can remove any item from this list simply by clicking on the same heart icon, thereby removing it from your list. So if you check this again, you are going to see that I have removed all of those two items that have been added to this list. So now my liked music section is empty now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.